be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step and foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks I never would have seen.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. All right, now let me go ahead and bring the box in. Oh, boom, new box. Just got these today. These are coming from Likelihood in Seattle, Washington. All right, what's up, Wishbone? You coming in for the video? All right, you can come on in. You can come on in, be my co-host, but you gotta sit down though. All right. Wishbone is down there. It's my dog. All right. So go ahead and bring these out, and here is the receipt for all you receipt boys out there. All right. Let's see. We'll go ahead and put that there, and then I'll put the box over here. And here is the box. Boom. All right. There's the box. Normal box. All right. On the back it says AJKO there. So these are the AJKO 1 Low, all right, colorway black, medium, gray, and sail, all right, size 13 on these bad boys. And as you can see here, this is the tag from Likelihood, their sales tag, all right. Retail on these $120, all right. So let's go ahead and bring these in. Take that off. Anything I need to see on the side of the box? Nope. So let's go ahead and get into it, man. But of course, Wishbone left. You all know how I do it. Right here on Big Roth TV. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Very familiar shoe. Just in low top form this time. Alright. Left shoe first, baby. Alright. These are the AJKO and that shadow gray colorway. What did it say on the box? I forgot that fast. I'm getting old. It is medium gray. That's what it says, but this is that shadow gray color right here. And the reason I went ahead and copped these is because I love this pair so much. This is one of my favorite pickups of the year. I'm not capping when I say that, because you can see it's dirty on the sides. I've been wearing this shoe. I wore this shoe on vacation. Like, look, I ain't lying to you, man. I love this shoe. This is one of my favorite shoes. It's comfortable, easy to just throw on. So I said, let me get the other pair that released the same day as these. But I also have the high tops, right? And they are damn near identical. I wanted to bring this one in so I could do a comparison real quick of the two shoes. And they are pretty much spot on. This is the first AJKO that I ever got. And I got this 2016. Look how good this shoe still looks. 2016. I've worn this on 2 different continents. Like, this was the shoe that I traveled from America to Spain in. Like, I wore this all the time in Spain. Worn it since I've been back in America. Like, I've had this shoe for a long time now, and it still looks good. this shoe is the reason I like AJKOs, because look how good it still looks. It still looks great. And now I have the low top version. All right. And it looks damn near identical. Damn near identical. The gray is slightly darker here, just like barely, it looks like. Looks, if that. And the gray that's on the collar up there, of course there isn't a collar up here, but I think this gray, it might just be because the shoe is older now. That's what it might be. Looking around, this is also a size 14. This is a 13. I like the fit of a 13 better, and AJKOs. But man, I don't know. Of course, the bottoms are different, so there is that. Gray here, black on the high tops. But what do you guys think of the color? Do you think? See, now looking at the toe box, it kind of looks like it's darker on the low tops than on the high top. Am I tripping, or are they the same? I don't know. They look damn near similar, man. They look a lot alike. Let me put the high to the side. Actually, no, let me bring that back. Black tongue, Nike on the tongue there, Nike on the tongue there, exact same. Gray laces here. I do believe those came with gray laces as well. I can't find them though. So if you want to switch it up on the lows, gray laces. But man, these are outstanding. Outstanding. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Girl, you knock me out. Do-do-do-do-do. Alright. Sometimes I burst into song. That's my bad. But these are dope, man. I love the AJKOs as it is. As you can see, you have your sizing there, and then some more information going along the side of the shoe there. On the inside, you have your Nike logo with the swoosh and the branding, and then black insole, black around the collar. Sail midsole here, going all the way around. And man, I don't know if these are intended to be like a skate shoe or what, but I know they are comfortable for all day wear. Like, my feet feel good in them. They're breathable. And I know, you know, they're to mimic Jordans, like the regular Jordan ones, the AJ knockoffs. That's what the KO stands for. But in some ways, I prefer the canvas material that are found on the AJKOs. In some ways, I'm not gonna say all the time, but it's a more comfortable fit. It's a more breathable fit. I like them a lot. That's why I went ahead and grabbed these, man. These are still available in some locations. I grabbed these, as I mentioned, at Likelihood. So you can find them on likelihood.com. The blue pair is still around as well. You can find those on corporate.com, Oneness Boutique, like all the sneaker boutiques pretty much have these. AJKO with the wings logo on the back. Very dope, man. Of course, the black laces. I don't think I'm going to switch out the laces and put the gray ones in. I think the black is the way to go. But again, easy pick up and go shoe. Can't go wrong with these bad boys right here, man. Most definitely. So if you want them, they're available. They're on most of the boutique sites. So go check those out, man. Not quite the Air Jordan 1 bottoms. Not quite, but close. Not like exactly, but similar. All right. But anyway, man, that's gonna do it for these. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.